So in this video now we're going to learn how to create a function that will take a string as an input and return how many number of words are there. Based on that we're going to split on spaces. So we'll try to count in a given word how many in a given sentence how many words are there. Okay, so now we'll move to Visual Studio. Okay, and what we're going to do, we're going to create one function. So I will go and create define def. So we're going to do that count of words. So I will put count words. Okay. And now I'm going to pass one string. So I will put that st as a string name. Okay. And then what I'm going to do now, we need to split it. So what I will put st dot split. Okay. I'll put this and later I will remove that. Okay, so since I not need to count based on that, I need to count based on a space. So I put that, but we need to assign this one so that we can get that return of this length. So what I can do, I will put that as a list where it will create s underscore l equals to this. Okay, and then I will return back that length of this, return length of sl. Okay, so I will return this length of SL. So first what I'm doing, I'm passing that in runtime, that number of sentences, whatever we need to pass. Then I'm splitting based on that space and then I'm returning that length. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I need to call this. So I will put that print, what we're going to print. So count of word, okay, count of words. And then in this one, I'm going to pass pt or raptor and lytic analytics for pyth and python development. Okay, dev. So now this I'm going to do. So if I count, it's need to give one for raptor, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us see that now if we run it, what we going to do. So see, we got it 5. Okay, so now if I go and remove this tab, okay, and I keep a space also, and let's see how many it's going to give. So now we got 6. You understand why? So what I did, I press here extra space, 2 spaces. Okay, so let me remove now both. Now if I run it, you can see now it's coming 4. Okay, what I'm doing, one it will split, then a split, then a split. Now if I run it, so now it's going to count as 7 because I'm putting all as a space. So it's going to count as a single word because we are passing their space. It's doing that a split. Okay, that's why specify specifically I show you that if you put that extra space it will show, but don't get confused why. If I put it here also, okay, and then if I run it, can go and see it's coming that 9. But if you see it's there are no no words are there, but it's due to a space. If you provide that a space, so it will count it. Okay, so whatever output you will get, you have to just cross verify. It's not it's going to wrong, it's going based on that whatever we have passed that value. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you.